Alright, so we're going to start the video off here. I'm actually in my room at school right now. I wanted to record the beginning of this video when it happened, but it was pretty early in the morning, so didn't get around to it, but super excited to take you through this video. As you can tell from the title, I have been wanting to get my motorcycle license for a long time now. Just something that I've kind of put off for a couple years and just finally made the commitment to go and take the driver course. So I took it with Harley Davidson. I know you can take it with a local community college or through the MBA itself, if you're located in Maryland at least. So I've actually been pretty interested in different types of motorcycles over the years. Back in 2004, I guess it is, I got an electric motorcycle for my birthday, and I'll put the clip right here. Yeah, so I was actually super excited about that. I've always been interested, like I said, in riding, either electric and then moved on to actual motorcycles. So I had a old, I believe it was like a 1985 dirt bike for a couple years, and I'll throw some clips right here. So there are 3 days to the Harley riding course. The first day is all in-class sessions. It was from about 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. In order to start the initial course, you have to take an online, it's about 2 to 3 hour training module. The first day out, like I said, was all in class. The last 2 days were on the track, which is just an open parking lot on the course, I guess you could say. And what we did there was we went through different turns, different stops, start and go, just all different types of exercises that you would need to learn riding on a motorcycle. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get up to speed. It was a smaller parking lot, so you could only go about 25, 30 miles an hour max with the small amount of time and space you had. But it was really good, and I have some clips from that I'll show later in this video. It was a lot of fun overall, and I'm super glad I did it. I wanted to knock this out of my bucket list for 2019, so made it happen and looking forward to it. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so we are here at day 2 of the Harley Riding Academy. This one is mainly going to be on the course, not so much in the classroom like yesterday. So I'm going to show you all the bikes and try and take you through some of the behind the scenes of the day. It's the next day right now. I know I mentioned in the previous video that I got my Maryland Certificate of Completion for the Maryland Basic Driving course through Harley-Davidson, which does mean I passed the course. However, I'm not legally allowed to ride on the road until I go to the MBA and get my Class M, what's it called again? The
Endorsement.
Class M endorsement. So it's 8 o'clock a.m. right now. The MBA opens at 8:30, so we're gonna try and get there a little bit early. It's usually pretty crowded, so hopefully we'll be able to get in line and get that taken care of, and it'll be a lot of ride. And it's raining out today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow as well. It's supposed to be 60 degrees and sunny on Sunday, so that should be the first time getting out on the road, and I'll make sure to take you guys along the way, and that'll probably be the next clip, so let's have a lot of fun. Alright, so we are on the way to my grandfather's house. We're gonna go on a motorcycle ride today. Grace is driving. We got Diesel up front right there. Riding on the motorcycle. So today is going to be my first time riding on the road after getting my license, my motorcycle license. So I'm a lot of fun, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, and my dad's riding his, and my grandfather's gonna ride his, and Grace is gonna ride on the back of one. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait. We're gonna have all three generations together. Alright, so we're here at my Pop-Pop's house. We have the 3 bikes. I'm going for my first motorcycle ride today, and super excited about it. It's really nice. It's about 60 degrees and sunny out. We got everybody in the shot right here. And I'm gonna turn around, show you the bikes, and I actually got my GoPro with me today, so we're gonna have the GoPro attached, and so you can see behind the scenes of what I'm seeing today, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So, you ready? Let's do it. Want to take a picture?
Been here, Chris. Mimi and Pop-Pop's working here.
Alright, so we are wrapping the video up here. Just got back from about a 45-minute ride, and it was a lot of fun. Went on some back roads. It was a really good experience getting to ride for the first time. Did it with all 3 generations. And And so yeah, overall really good time. 62 and sunny right now. So wrapping the video up here and hope you enjoyed.